market
agree.
their
Stop,
players
stop,
because they
stop.
do need
Okay, stop, stop,
Robux
stop, stop.
as a way to help
Listen,
improve
I don't wanna be like.
basically their bench players as a way to help benefit
Oh,
themselves
okay.
and make the company
Uy,
better.
uy.
But I don't.
Ako.
Elon
Elon
Musk
Musk
is
is
stupid.
stupid. Okay. First of all, Elon Musk is a fucking billionaire.
Mababan talaga tong nilalang na to.
So what?
What is this topic?
Elon Musk is stupid? No. I don't agree actually.
Elon Musk is
Yeah,
stupid.
I disagree that Elon Musk is stupid because Elon Musk has
Yeah.
created
It's
great
not Twitter, it's X.
technologies
Okay, so
and
I will just agree
advancements
that
in
Elon
terms
Musk
of that
is stupid
technology.
for buying X instead
How
of
is it
Facebook.
just? It's how does
Facebook
it
is
relate
more
to
famous
him
than
buying
that, and the
Twitter
Tesla
or X?
new car model, it looks like a steel iron plated. What in the car is that? Kaya agree na ako.
I vote for Alex.
I see.
Elon Musk is stupid. Why would he name his child?
Thank you for voting for me. Thank you for
It was
standing up for
probably
me,
because it was the parents were actually Elon Musk is a very fair and unique name. Suffice to say.
No.
And also name doesn't even
Yes, X is run
having
even
a shared
worse
name doesn't
because
even
there's so many nude
relate
photos.
to him
Why
being
there are
stupid.
so many nude photos on that? That's like a minor Pornhub. Yeah, it's a Pornhub for.
Oh yeah.
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 Yes.
Wait, especially the Liam case, that photo, it is also posted on X. If you post that thing on Facebook, yung nagpakamatay siya. If you post that thing on Facebook, you will get reported. But no, Twitter that didn't do anything.
You
It's
He
so
have
blames
cringe.
life as
the
you know it
society
without
for making
leaving the
history.
toilet.
No.
Have you ever gone to the
Skibidi
store and
Toilet
really
itself
wanted to
is
get
Skibidi
a
Toilet
a
is
toilet?
No,
awesome.
Skibidi
It
Toilet
looks
I
is
was
like
cringe.
I
Tom and
did,
Jerry.
but I
Only
wasn't
little
able to
girls
get one
use
because
that
my mom
nowadays.
wouldn't
Why
leave
do
me
you use
price.
that? Are you a little girl?
So yes, I agree. Skibbity
I
I
have
am
toilet
not
pretty
talking.
is
girls.
very likable.
It's not relevant.
It's
Skibbity,
so cringe.
skibbity,
It's so
skibbity,
cringe.
skibbity,
So
skibbity
Sigma.
toilet.
And
Daffy
that's
runs skibbity, skibbity
jawline thing.
toilet.
That's jawline
We
thing.
love
Something
skibbity
like
toilet,
that.
skibbity
Sigma?
toilet.
Sigma? That's so
Sigma is
cringe.
PDD.
That's Sigma.
Skibbity, skibbity,
They don't
It's bec-
even have jawlines.
skibbity. Yeah, let's go.
you should blame the society,
Can,
not the people who
let's
created it.
go.
People
About
created it
Baby
as a
Shark.
joke.
I think we should get an actual debate. I would love to debate a real debate. I don't.
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Yo, my shirt is pink. Oh yeah.
Please. How you think about Dreamy Ball? What is Dreamy Ball?
Jimmy Ball's like the guy who's about to come.
Can you search that Dreamy Ball?
Jimmy Ball is a black guy, but he likes to
Yeah. I watched that. All her
Yo,
videos. Yo, all videos. I'm him. Yo, I'm him.
No. Why do you like Jimmy Ball?
Yes.
What is
Dreamy
wrong with you?
Ball. I think
Yes, I stroke meat all the
he
time.
ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly.
Oh my, you're gonna get banned, bro. You're gonna get banned.
I like beating meat, you know?
Dreamy Ball is ugly.
Is that a person dreaming of a pool?
Dreamy Ball is ugly.
Dreaming balls. So si Baka, what?
I don't care if it's a rapper or a poop.
Jimmy Ball
No.
had backlash when he was jacking his meat.
No,
Dreaming
can we
ball
just
is
talk
my
about James
idol.
Charles?
Don't say that. Ako lang ata
Family
pinay
jewel
dito eh.
in my face,
Na
my
personal
dad.
ano yun eh. Do you put your family jewel in my face, madam? I did.
So
Actually, I
disagree.
did.
I hate this. I hate
Why don't you
Jimmy
guys
Ball.
agree with me? I don't even know. I really don't have it. I literally don't have it. Okay. What even topic is this? I don't know who's Jimmy fucking bully.
You're probably
Oh, this guy is
a
heavy.
Gen Z.